Today at Craft and Antler, we're gonna show you how to sharpen your Japanese skiving knife. The whetstone I have here is 3000 and 1000 grit. If you like, you can also use sandpaper. And you're also gonna need jeweler's rouge, and you're gonna need a leather strop. This can make all the difference in the world. You can use this for maintenance of your skiving knife. It can turn a dull knife to a sharp one just by using the strop itself. So by stropping the knife, you're actually honing it and sharpening the edge, straightening out all the little burrs on it, and that's how you get a sharper knife when you use the leather strop. Last but not least, you're going to need a piece of leather to test the sharpness of your blade after sharpening.